Alright, so guys, today I'm going to be showing off some Arduino code that I wrote. This is kind of interesting Arduino code because this is not something you would need an Arduino for. If you had processing, it would be much better for something based off the computer. But what it does is it factors for you. It does quadratic factoring. So if you guys kind of know what I'm talking about, if you don't, then what it does is it finds two numbers that multiply to this thing, that add to C. Sorry, two numbers that add to B and multiply to C. Okay, so that's what it does. Its goal is to find two numbers that multiply to B, multiply to C, sorry, and add to B. So they add to B and multiply to C. So I'm going to show you right here. You just pick your numbers here. So if we want to multiply to, say, to add to 8 and to multiply to 16, sure, you can already already tell it's 4, but we can upload that to my Arduino here. And if we just wait a second for it to upload, a long second, very long second, super long second. What is wrong? HyperCam 2 must be like glitching the Arduino or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'll just start going through the way it works, because it's evident that HyperCam 2 really won't let this this code work for some reason. It won't let the code upload. Anyway, you have some variables here, and trust me, it works. I've used it. It works. It can even handle the two numbers being negative, so it can handle two numbers that are negative that multiply to 16. So negative 4 and 4. So this could be negative 8, and it would find negative 4 and 4. Anyway, so you just change these, and then it has random numbers. These are just variables that are long. Then you have some more integers. Begin the serial, and you check the random seed of analog read 0. That means every time the program goes over, the analog read of 0 is gonna slightly change the random number just to give it a bit more randomness. Then the long value called random num is set to a random number between negative 30 and 30, and random 2 number is set, and the long value random 2 num is set between random minimum negative 29, maximum 29. Then this value called mm, which is I don't know why, converts the long value of random num to an integer, and then pp does the same thing. And then if this value called mmm equals to mm times pp, alright, and ppp equals to mm plus pp. So that's the way it would work. So then we can say if the two numbers, if the mm times pp, which are the two random numbers, and since mm times pp is mmm, so if mm times pp is equal to c, then we also say if mm plus pp is equal to b, then this happens. Both of these statements have to be true, because if this is true but this isn't, this won't happen, because this is inside the second if statement. So seeing as my code is still uploading or something, I'm seeing if I can get the serial monitor to work. Evidently not. Something has kind of messed up your HyperCam 2. Evidently doesn't allow any serial communication, or something like that. I don't know, but trust me, it works. It can find any numbers, and you could set these random values to be higher if you want. It's just that it would make finding the two numbers slower. But if you want to, find something that multiplies to, 9,000 and adds to 9,001, or negative 9,001, you could always set this to be between negative 9,000 and negative 9,000 and negative 9,000 and negative 9,000 if you want. It's just it would take a lot longer to find your number because it has to go through more. Already as it is, there's like 3,500 something different possibilities, and it usually finds the number within a second. So, I mean, that's it. And my math teacher said it couldn't be done. She said, no way you can make computer software to do it. But I did it. So it's going to be on the website as always, and it finds, just to sum it up, finds two numbers that add to B and multiply to C, and you just can set the two numbers here by changing those. And it does that by finding random numbers and then seeing if they meet the criteria, which would be this. Here's the criteria, and here's seeing if it meets it. Alright? So, thanks for watching.